here back with another video. Hope you guys are all staying at home and staying safe. So today we're going to talk about genuine products that helps in brightening your skin. So exactly this is the word that is mentioned in my comment. Okay, one of my subscriber asked me to do video on this particular topic. So immediately I know which product is genuine product that is going to brighten your skin. So in this video I'm going to give you two different products from the same brand, and this product is going to genuinely brighten your skin. So the two products I mentioned are from the brand called Dr. Sheth. So Dr. Sheth is a brand owned by doctors, and these are vegan, cruelty free and non-toxic skincare brand, and these two products are my favorite. They have so many products. You go check out their website. They have products for different skin concern, but these both are my favorite because these are genuine skin brightening products. So these are the two products that I mentioned, guys. This is Dr. Sheth Gulab and Glycolic Toner, and this is their Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. So first let's talk about this product. So this one, Gulab and Glycolic Toner. So this toner exfoliates, brightens and clarifies your skin because this has got rose extract, hyaluronic acid and glycolic acid 5%. So if you're new to chemical exfoliation, this is the best product to start with because it's got only 5% of active ingredient, that is glycolic acid. So basically glycolic acid helps in exfoliating your skin because this active ingredient remove the dead skin from your skin and gives a brightened skin as well. And for the brightening purpose, there's one more add-on, that is Gulab. Gulab is rose extract. We all know that rose extract is really good for brightening our skin. And this is called niacinamide also. Niacinamide is another kind of a serum that helps in clarifying your skin. Clarifying the skin, it helps in treating acne scars, and it treats blemishes as well. So all these three ingredients in this particular toner is wow, guys. But one thing I want to tell you, if you're very sensitive skin person, or if you're new to all this glycolic acid, all this acid family, I will suggest you to use this only at the night time. So use this at the night time and followed by the sleeping mask. This both together is a awesome combo, guys. In the initial stage, let it be any product, if you're using it for the first time, it will take some time to adjust your skin. It will take 1 week or even 2 weeks. You have to be patient for the first initial days because the product will work and it will try showing results only after that second week, guys. Same thing with this product, and it has got active ingredients, so it's going to purge your skin. For example, the first 1 or 2 weeks you will see that your skin is so red. You will see that patches, dry patches, because it's got glycolic acid. It's going to remove your dead skin. So that is a one side effect with the product. People think, oh, this is not working, this is the worst product. No, you have to be patient for the first 2 weeks. If you cross the 2 weeks, your skin is going to love you for that. So only one major issue I have with this toner, that is this one. The pump is not that great, okay. I have seen so many good pumps which will spray evenly because I love my toner to be spread all over the face. I don't like to use it in my cotton pad, so I prefer the pump to be little more better. I think they will do a good job in future. So that's a only drawback with this product, guys. Dr. Sheth Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. It's very clear, it's a sleeping mask, and this has got 0.5% hyaluronic acid, 1% ceramide complex, 2% squalene and turmeric oil globules. What to say about this product? If you're having combination skin, dry skin, this product is going to love you for that. Even oily skin people also can use this, but it is very suitable for combination to dry skin. You have to follow this with this toner. These two are enough for a good skincare routine for a brightening skincare routine. Do not mix any product. Just spray this and follow with the sleeping mask and try this for 15 days to 1 month. You will love the result. It's going to brighten your skin like anything, and as this toner has got active ingredients that is going to exfoliate the skin, right, this sleeping mask will calm your skin and repair your skin overnight. So we all know the benefits of hyaluronic acid. They help in moisturizing skin. It locks the moisture in your skin for a long period. So if you are applying this in the night time, your skin is going to be moisture the whole night, and morning also your skin will be very, very supple. And it has got turmeric. So turmeric in the best way. I know I'm actually allergic to turmeric. They give a little bit reaction to my skin, but the turmeric in this product are like very tiny globules, and as it mentioned, it is not staining your face, and it's very, very good. I can feel it. If you want to know how much I love the sleeping mask, this is one, still there, not yet open, and this is two, not yet open, and I have two more. This is an earlier product. I have finished it completely. See, I've just taken everything out, no wastage. So if you want bright skin, use only these two, okay? Use this toner and follow it with the sleeping mask. I'm sure this both is more than enough to give you a clear, bright skin. Use it for 15 to 30 days. I'm sure you will have a bright skin. You will love the result, okay? But be patient with the first 2 weeks. Your skin may react. Don't lose confidence. Just trust on these products. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. When I was about to make a video on this genuine skin brightening products, these two products came in my mind genuinely, and I love these products, and I gave my genuine opinion. I hope you like this product review. If so, please consider subscribing and join my family. And if you have any other video suggestions, please put that in the comment box also. I'll catch you soon with another interesting video. Every week I'm uploading a new video, so stay connected. Bye.